I live in Denver, Colorado, and it's fair to say that the Bronco fans are a little disappointed with the 5-11 season. Now, let me be clear. I'm not a diehard football fan. However, I was intrigued by an interview with Derek Wolfe, defensive end for the Broncos. And in the interview, he shared his frustration with some of the younger players joining the team. He said, "You know, this isn't like college where you get your little red shirt year. You need to show up and be prepared to contribute right away." This is great advice for football players and salespeople, young and old, because in today's business environment, you've got to be able to contribute quickly and consistently. So what's the difference between the salesperson that takes a red shirt year and contributes? Well, there's a couple of things. Number one, preparation. One of my VPs of sales, Dan, said it best. You know, there's a lot of salespeople that show up to the office on Monday morning naked, half-dressed. Tell me more. Well, they show up to the office with no plan, no to-do list. Dan's right. Prepared salespeople show up with the to-do list done. They show up on Monday morning ready to execute rather than focusing on getting ready to get ready. Second is mastery. Salespeople that contribute consistently and effectively know they must become masterful at selling, so they practice. And they practice a lot. And while they appreciate the coaching sessions with their sales managers, they know that if it is to be, it's up to me. And they practice outside of the coaching sessions. There's an interesting piece of research that comes from the Music Academy of West Berlin. Researchers were studying the outstanding violinist. Why were they so much better than their equally talented counterparts? The number one data point, these violinists practiced up to 25 hours by themselves outside of regular practice sessions. So salespeople, let's apply the emotional intelligence skill of self-awareness and ask this question. This year, will you redshirt or will you play ball? I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership. Thanks for joining me.